Alright guys, just finished up another penny box. Let's start with the some of the rarer coins and nicer finds that we had in this box here. Starting with the Canadian King George VI pennies here at the top. We have a really nice 1940, a 1942, a 1945, and a 1950. So 4 King George VI pennies in this box here. We also had 2 wheat pennies. The first one on the left is a 1945. And the second one is a 1946. We also had 5 of the American 1982 pennies. And lastly, we had 1 2009 American penny as well. In our last couple boxes, we've done pretty good on these 2009 pennies, and I believe someone in our comments one time said that they find more wheat pennies in their American boxes than these 2009 pennies. I haven't checked in on any of the mintage rates or anything like that on exactly how rare these 2009s are, but if that's the case, it's always really nice to find a couple in each of our boxes here. Next, let's see if we can just take a look at the copper percentages. Starting with these 1982 to 1986 Canadian pennies, we had 436. Next, we have the Canadian 1980 and 81 pennies. We had 64 of those. These pennies here are the 1953 to 1979 Canadian pennies. We had 229. And lastly, only a few of these, we had 51 of the pre-1982 American pennies. So in total, that was 780, and that worked out to be 31.20% of the box. So it kind of continues our streak of low 30s, mid to low 30% for our boxes here. We were getting some boxes earlier this summer of well into the 50s, even some up in the 80s every now and again. We've kind of dropped off a little bit. But that's alright. Hopefully it's because of other people coin roll hunting as well. We might even change up our bank this next upcoming week. We might get 2 boxes from another bank just to see if that changes things around, just because we have gotten the 30 in the 30 percentages for I think since the beginning of July. So we'll just see if that makes a difference at all. Looks like we did get under 5 pounds for the first time. Just for calculating the buckets there, taking some weight off, we had 4 pounds and 11.3 ounces of the 95% American pennies and then the 98% Canadian pennies. Alright, so that's it guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Look for more videos in the upcoming weeks. We have a bunch of coins to take back. We'll take back some of the silver dimes that we've already re-rolled, so hopefully we can get another silver dime box up, and hopefully we find some more silver dimes that way. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be great. That's it for now, guys. Talk to you soon.